As a high school student serving as free labor in the drone club, I can't demand the best equipment, but I want to use what I like. I upgraded my camera from the Alpha 6400 to the FX30. I upgraded my action camera from the Action 4 to the Action Pro. As for the drone, it definitely has to be the successor of the classic DJI AIR2S, equipped with a 1-inch sensor, 4K at 60 frames, powerful performance, and unbeatable image quality, the AIR3S. Yes, I changed drones again. So what kind of tricks can a high school student pull off with this drone packed with DJI's latest technology?
Takeoff. Return point. Heat machine. Please pay attention to the return path.
DJI finally figured it out this time, bringing back the inch sensor that should have belonged to the AIR3 on the 3S. Under this sensor, you can capture up to 4K 60 frames per second HDR, 4K 120 frames per second slow motion 10-bit D-Log-M video footage. You can see a very noticeable improvement in resolution and dynamic range on the AIR3S. It is precisely because of the confidence in the sensor size that DJI has directly removed the night mode, allowing you to achieve clean night scenes in full auto mode. Compared to the AIR3, the 70mm medium telephoto camera on the 3S doesn't seem to have changed much, but I still really like the compressed feel this lens provides. Aerial shots with a telephoto lens can make your work more narrative and allow you to keep a distance from some sensitive subjects, creating beauty from afar. Possibly due to the increased size of the gimbal and the addition of laser radar, the flight time of the AIR3S is 1 minute shorter than the previous generation, but it still ranks among the top tier in drone endurance. Apart from the time for takeoff and return, you can still shoot nearly half an hour of time-lapse footage, and the battery of the 3S is compatible with the AIR3, which is quite uncharacteristic for DJI. Thanks to the addition of LiDAR, the AIR3S has greatly improved obstacle avoidance capabilities at night. With the support of the new generation of advanced intelligent return to home, it can even achieve precise return in an underground garage without GPS. You can just push the stick and leave the rest to the flight control. The upgrade in data transmission for the AIR3S also impresses me. You can connect it directly to a computer with a data cable even when it's powered off to transfer data. Open the DJI Fly API on your phone to directly activate the drone and enable Wi-Fi quick transfer. Additionally, the 3S has 42GB of built-in storage. It's uncertain when this storage upgrade will be available for the mini series. The upgrade from DJI AIR3 to AIR3S follows the same approach as from AIR2 to AIR2S. Sensor upgrade, battery compatibility, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and unchanged price. Compared to the smaller Mini 4 Pro, it has dual cameras and longer battery life. Compared to the larger Mavic 3 Pro, it has stronger obstacle avoidance and a cheaper price. This is not the pinnacle of DJI's flagship drone performance, but I believe it is the most worthwhile semi-professional drone to buy at this stage, meeting almost 98% of imaging creation needs. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. This is XLvision, a high school student striving to improve. See you next time.